Going on, family, this morning? It's Phoenix, your Renaissance hustler, checking in with you. I was asked to clarify what do I mean about having a job versus having work. A job is your typical 9 to 5, 6 to 3, whatever, punching the clock hourly. Having work is looking for contracts and bids, or helping out for side stuff, or having your own independent hustle. Or say if someone got something, they say, hey, we need some help on this, and you get the work versus that you just punching the clock. Now, the benefits of having a job, you got this job every day as long as you get up and do what they want you to do, and as long as this company's going, you know that you're gonna eat too. Now versus having work, you got to get up and actually go out, network, hustle yourself, and bring work in. So it's going to require some skill as far as like knowing how to network yourself, not giving up, not getting discouraged, not having thin skin. I mean, I done went through so much trying to be independent. I can't even explain it to you. But one thing I haven't done is give up. Never give up. So, in my personal opinion, I would pick work over a job. Hold on.